3-ingredient cornflake cluster. And you don't even have to turn the oven on for this one. It's a no-bake, baby. The 3 ingredients you're going to need are milk chocolate, cornflakes, and pistachios. I've already melted our chocolate into this beautiful chocolatey goodness. Ooh, look at that. Yum. And all we're gonna do is throw in our other ingredients. So I have 2 cups of cornflake cereal, and then I have half a cup of salted, shelled pistachios. Now all I'm gonna do is just stir this up and get everybody coated with the chocolate. And you just wanna give it nice, light folds, trying not to break up the cereal too much. And then, once it's all kind of evenly coated like that, we're ready to start scooping them out. So we're actually going to use a parchment-lined sheet tray for this one, because we don't want them to stick. And it's okay if they're loose, because the chocolate will eventually set everyone together. Right after you scoop them out, while the chocolate's still a little melted on top, we just want to give them a little garnish. So since there's pistachios in them, I like to do a little pistachio garnish on top, so people know that there's nuts in there, which is always a good thing to warn people of. And now I'm just gonna let those set for a while until they're nice and firm. Our cornflake, pistachio, milk chocolate clusters